Want to browse the web more privately, block annoying ads, or access content that might be blocked in your region? I'm going to show you how to install one of the best free VPNs, WIndscribe, directly into your Google Chrome browser. Let's get started. Open up your Google Chrome browser. Go to the Chrome Web Store and search for WIndscribe. Once you're on the WIndscribe extension page, click the blue Add to Chrome button. A pop-up will appear asking for permission. Click Add Extension. Chrome will download and install it in just a few seconds. Now wait few seconds until extension added to your browser. After installation, click extension icon and pin WinScribe on browser address bar. Now click WinScribe icon and then click Get Started. Choose Free option and you will redirect it to sign up page. Create your free account. Create username and password and provide email address and press Create Account button. Complete the security verification. Congratulations to get free WinScribe account. Log in your email and verify your email address to get full free access. Now click WinScribe icon again and press Login option. Provide your username and password and press Login button. Confirm security verification. Now click Power button to turn on VPN. WinScribe will choose the fastest location, or you can pick a country yourself. Click Location menu and choose the location you wish to connect it as. That's it. Your connection is now encrypted and private. You're using WinScribe VPN for free on your Google Chrome. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech guides. Thanks for watching.